Do you think about doing great things every day but never start? Do you feel like you deserve more but still feel stuck? The problem is not your luck. The problem is your mindset. This video can change the way you think. So watch until the end, because these next few moments could change your life. Why you feel stuck. Most people don't lose because of the outside world. They lose because of what happens inside their mind. They say, I can't do it. They say, I don't have time. They say, maybe I'm not good enough. But those are not facts. Those are fears. You are where you are today because of your daily thoughts. The way you think controls the way you act. Change your identity. People do not rise to their goals. They fall to the level of their identity. If you believe you are lazy, you will delay everything. If you believe you are weak, you will fear every challenge. So before changing your goals, change your identity. Start saying, I am disciplined. I'm focused. I improve every single day. When you see yourself differently, your life changes too. Small habits, big results. Big success does not come in one day. It comes from small habits repeated daily. Read for 10 minutes. Exercise for 15 minutes. Finish one important task. These things look small, but they are life-changing. Because consistency always beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits keep moving you forward. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Many people never begin because they wait for the perfect time. But the perfect time never comes. You do not start when you're ready. You become ready after you start. Take the first step, even if it is small. Action destroys fear. Powerful ending. You do not need a miracle to change your life. You need a new decision. One decision today can change your future. Will you stay the same? Or will you change starting now? Remember this: no one is coming to save you. You must rise. You must begin. You must win. The best time is now. Start today. If this video inspired you, hit like. Subscribe for more mindset videos. And comment below. I will start today.